Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda and hopefully you can stay a while and watch my video. Today I'm going to show you what I got at Dollar Tree within this past week, and this is January 21st right now. Maybe it's January 22nd, I don't know. But anyway, here we go. So first I'd like to show you the pillows, okay? Well, actually they're the pillowcases, and I got these pillowcases at Dollar Tree. I think they're satin. But anyway, they're so pretty. I love them. Obviously, $1 each. Okay. And then here's some of the things that I got recently as well. This is a cleaning collagen for your face. I take my eye makeup off with this. It's fabulous, okay? This is great for cleaning your face if you want to scrub it. And here is some, I use this, it's so good, it smells so nice, okay? And then I got these nails, they're so pretty. And then I got the polish. And I got this mousse, oops, that's in the way. And then I got, everything here is $1, obviously, all from Dollar Tree. My mascara, my conditioner, even the TP there. And then this says, I picked you. Okay, so now then moving on to some of the craft items. I got these. These are like shaped like little diamonds. They're so pretty. Okay. And then I have, these come 3 in a pack. They're like little metallic signs. And these 3 came in this pack saying, Welcome Spring Bunny. These came in the pack that said XO, XO, Love, and Valentine. And then I got these beads, which I plan on painting whatever different color. And I got skewers so that I could put the beads on the skewers so that I could paint them without them falling all over the place. And then I got these cupcake stickers, this felt. I got this fortune pen, so cute. Got this pink pack of felt pink hearts. Let me just turn this over. Felt pink hearts. How many are in the pack? 12, okay. 3 little treat sacks with hearts on them. Of course, I can't go anywhere without my Whitman's Happy Valentine's Day chocolates. And this is a craft yarn kit. It shows you how to make this little bunny, but I think I might be using these for like the backs of a pillow DIY I'm going to do. And here is the wooden XOXO sign. And if you're wondering about this back piece that everything is laid on, I got this particular runner at the Dollar Tree. And then this heart, well, all of the hearts were made from the white cloth that they sell in the automotive department at Dollar Tree. I just cut it into the shape of a heart and I glued it on. And then this ribbon I even got at the Dollar Tree. And I just made like a little shoelace bow and I just put that on there. And now let me go up here, and these are coasters, okay? Little Valentine coasters. I mean, I suppose you could put like little wood pieces under them and then, you know, make them a little bit sturdier. And there's one of those packs of the silver things. That's how they come. And then there's the paint. This is like, I think, just water paint. But I thought this would be cute to paint hearts. You know, so you can make those little conversation hearts on the wood hearts. And then there's red. There's a red one. Then I love this sign. This sign is so beautiful. Love makes a house a home. And then they have these little wooden Valentine like I said, I was going to take these and use this paint so that I can make those conversation hearts and just print real neatly on them. If you have good printing, good. If not, they do sell stickers there, letter stickers that you can stick on, which I'll show you in another video. And let me go ahead over here and just give this a good little look through one more time. This right here was a DIY. I took one of the little bowls from the Dollar Tree. Oh, there's some of those stick-on letters right there. And then I took a little table from the dollhouse, like the doll section of Dollar Tree. And then I took a little square plate and I put them all together and I distressed it. That was one of my first attempts at that. I mean, you know, it's not too bad for a first attempt. Okay, so now, I also picked up this pack of Hello Kitty Valentines. And then I got these little foam love signs. They were on sticks, but I put the sticks in the straws because I put it inside of a cup. But then you can see how the hearts came with it, and they're not on the straw, okay? And this is, I'm going to make a Valentine tree. So I'm going to use this as some of the stuff that I put in the tree. And then this right here says Love Bomb, lavender scented bath bomb. And then I got this mask. It's so cute. Okay. And then I picked up this little sign that says Babe. And there's another one that says Ooh La La, which I love. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. Everything. The love sign. The wooden love sign. Even this little diamond. It's shaped like a diamond. I think it's supposed to be a diamond because I see these like diamonds like in the high-end stores, so I'm pretty sure that like diamonds are in now. Have they ever been out? Okay, and then the little cutie pie so I can know what the sayings are on the conversation hearts because I might forget. And then back here I still left this out because it's so cute. These are hard to find in the Dollar Tree now. I think everybody's scooping them up. And then I got this little thing too. Again, these are hard to find. And I got this one. I'm going to say I got this one last year, but I'm putting it on here because this is my 3-tier tray that I made, which if you're interested, I'll show you how to make that. There's the candy, the Ferrero Rocher candy that is $1 too. I know I say that a lot. And here's one of the signs that, the wooden pieces that I made, and I took some Dollar Tree pearls, and then I put a little red tassel on the end. That was my first attempt at that, and not too bad for a first time. And then I took the little dice that they have at Dollar Tree in the kids' toy section, okay? As a matter of fact, here, those dice are right here, okay? And I took 4 of them and I painted them white, and then I got the letters from Dollar Tree as well, and I painted them red. I did 2 coats of white on these, and then I did the Mod Podge to keep it nice and tight in there because it's chalk paint on foam. It was kind of like, I felt like it needed Mod Podge. And then I took one of these stickers that I have from a pack and I put it on for the O. And then I just added that sugar sign. And, oh, this too. This is so cute. Wait till you see this. This is so cute. I got this. This can go around a basket, like a, I guess that's what it is. It's a basket skirt. It looks like a tutu, but it's a basket skirt, and I had a red one that I'll show you in another video that has like little red and white stripes on the bottom of it, and I put it on one of my dolls for a skirt to make it look like Christmassy, but it can also look Valentine-like as well. So let me show you a couple of more things. Okay, so here is a really cute sign. It looks like a gift tag sign. It's kind of big though. It's pretty good size. You know, here's my hand. And then it's probably like 3 of my hands. And then I picked up this about a month ago. This is probably the only one, maybe one of 2 things that's not as recent, but this is so cute. My dreams are calling, and I must go. Then these next 3, I just got the other day. Well, actually yesterday. Okay, so these are so cute. Faith, Hope, and Love, which I love that. And then this is so pretty. Oh my God, this is so pretty. It still has the plastic on it, so, you know, I think it's coming in a little shiny. And then I saw this recently too. Today's menu, take it or leave it, which I think would be perfect around here because everybody wants something different. And then this cat food. Yesterday. My cat likes this cat food. Then I got this jump rope because God knows I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight and this might work. I don't know though. And then this, another treat bag with the little hearts all over it. And then this, another wooden sign that says home. And then the home has a heart. Now, I'm going to be doing some DIYs with a lot of these things that I showed you. As a matter of fact, let me show you one of the DIYs I did with